I trust YouTube's algorithm. I believe this video will reach the exact person who is scrolling right now, hoping to find something that finally makes sense. If that person is you, I'm asking for one thing. Watch this till the end. And if this video doesn't expose what's holding you back and show you why you keep failing to change your life, then go to the comments and tell people this video is fake. I'm confident because nothing I share here is theory. I've lived this. The prison you don't see. Almost everyone I know says the same thing. I miss my school days. I wish I could go back. I don't. Not because school is always bad, but because for many people, school is the first place where self-respect dies. You're told what to do, compared to others, punished for not fitting the system. And slowly you start believing this lie. If I'm not good at what they want, I'm worthless. That belief doesn't disappear after school. It follows you into adulthood. So when you try to make a comeback, you don't choose your own path. You choose a path that society respects. And that's the problem. Any comeback built on society's approval is just a new kind of slavery. You'll work hard, but only when pressure is high. The moment pressure fades, you slow down. Then, society hits you again, and the cycle repeats. If you want your final comeback, the first step is simple. Take the leash off your neck. Stop asking, what should I do with my life? Start asking, what does my life actually need right now? Money? Health? Strength? Clarity? Go back to basics. Money comes from solving real problems. Health comes from refusing to stay weak. Purpose comes from urgency, not applause. The enemy inside you. Even after you break free from society, another enemy appears. Your body. Your body wants comfort. Sleep, junk food, scrolling, pleasure. Inside, you are three voices. The hero who plans. The villain who delays. And you who must choose. When it's time to act, the villain says, 5 minutes later, and that's where most people lose. The mistake is relying on motivation. Motivation dies when you're tired. Winners don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. They prepare for their weakest moments. If you can't trust yourself, don't. Force discipline through planning. Because during weak moments, you are not fully you. And remember this truth. The work you're avoiding is the only thing that can change your life. Never settle. If you want this comeback to be your last, never settle. The moment you say, I'm settled now, growth stops. And when growth stops, life slowly turns into frustration. No job, habit, relationship, or routine is final. You weren't born to arrive. You were born to evolve. Break what no longer serves you. Move forward again and again. Because we only get one life. And this comeback isn't about proving anything to anyone. It's about finally living right. So if you want more videos that challenge you instead of comforting you, go ahead and hit subscribe. Not for me, for the version of you that's tired of starting over.